So you can see here I am on the Claude Code homepage. So I just searched on Google Claude Code, and this is the first link which I navigated to. So it's saying go from prompt to production with Claude Code. So in the Linux, we have to run this. Now as it's installing, I think we'll wait for a while and then we will run this Claude command. It's saying installing Claude Code native Cloud build. The best thing what I can see here is you don't have to worry about the version. It is you just have to run this curl command and it's managing the latest version and installing the latest version on your machine. That's cool. So if you can follow my terminal, you can see the Cloud Code successfully installed and the latest version which got installed is 2.1.9. Also, to take a help of Claude, we can just run this command Claude help. So now what we'll do, we'll just go ahead with the quick start. Here it's saying before you begin, make sure you have a terminal or command prompt open. Definitely we have this. We will first run Claude and we will see what's happening. So I don't have any subscription currently and we'll see what's happening. So I run Claude and let's follow through it. Okay, so just after running it, it is asking me to choose the text style. I like the light mode actually. You can follow my screen and you can see I am light mode for rower and I like the dark mode. So that's what I go with. So and then it's saying select login methods. So looks like I don't have API users building enabled with my cloud account. Also, I can see I cannot access it with a third party. So I'm left with going ahead and opting for a pro plan. So let's go ahead and get a pro plan from Claude. So it's offering me their annual plan and I'm not interested into that. Let's go ahead with monthly plan and we will see how well we can utilize it. So if I'm going for the monthly $20, looks like I'll have to go ahead and pay for 23 US dollar with taxes and everything. So it's verified and looks like I am a pro member now. So so today is 24 Jan and that's when we did this. All right. So now as we are now as we have upgraded our account with Pro plan, we will just go ahead and log in our Claude account with Pro. So just after I selected that option, it just went here and trying to authorize myself with browser. Login is successful. Now we can just go ahead and enter. Okay, so it's saying security notes. Claude can make mistakes. Should always check review Claude response, especially when running code. Due to prompt injection risk, only use it with your code you trust. Okay, so due to prompt injection risk, only use it with code you trust. So it's saying to not use Cloud Code with public code or any public repository because there are chances, like in that public repository, there could be a prompt injection or something. So that's what it's saying. Now it's saying for optimal coding experience, enable the recommended setting for your terminal. I don't know what is the setting, but let's go ahead with recommended setting. We will see what that setting is. Now it's saying Claude Code may read, write, or execute files contained on this directory. This can pose security risk, so only use files from trusted sources. Definitely. So in this video, you saw how you can install Claude Code on your local machine. In the next video, I'll show you how and what is the best way you can utilize Claude Code to build your application. See you in the next one.